Today we're showing you a 2014 John Deere 3032E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere D160 front loader. Tractor has approximately 565 hours on it. It's a nice clean little tractor. It does have some paint out of the bucket here, but structurally the bucket's sound. It does have the John Deere style quick attach for your bucket quick attach. Has the front grill guard. Paint's nice in the tractor. The loader does have some scuffs in it where the paint is missing, but overall a clean little tractor. 31 horsepower and again 565 approximate hours. R4 industrial tires. 3-point hitch. ROPS. It's a nice clean little unit. These tractors are very popular for property maintenance, brush hogging, grading, anything to that nature. Twin pedal design for your hydrostat transmission. Has two ranges here to the left of the seat. We do take trades. We also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding the unit, please contact us.